How to play music on Discord mobile. First things first is access your Discord application and make sure that you're running with the latest version. And then don't forget to log into your account. Now, once you're here, you'll be able to see four options here below. So that's going to be home, discover, notifications, and you. So what you need to do is go to you or discover rather, and then under servers, you should be able to see random or different type of topics like gaming, music, entertainment, science, and tech and education. Go to music, and these will show all the servers that is gonna be available for, specifically only for music. Now just simply join in on a random or any music server that you would like. For example, the first part, the Luffy Girl, or maybe for Blackpink, or maybe for Linkin Park, Stray Kids. Now, once you have joined that specific group or server, you'll just have to enter in it and just have to follow through their specific requirements for you to be able to successfully join in. Now, for you to play the music, just type in the message and then just type in semicolon song, and once you enter it in, you should be able to check out all the specific musics that's going to be available for the server. And to play it, just retype in semicolon and then play. Now that's it. That's how you play music on Discord Mobile.